WhatsApp will start identifying its users by their usernames and not the phone numbers as before because of privacy concerns. This will be in a few months time from now. The only thing that you can do right now is claiming your username, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. The only requirement for this tutorial is make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. And by that I mean go to Play Store and make sure that you search for WhatsApp. After searching on this app, you need to tap on it and then you'll see the update button. However, if it is the latest version, you should see something like this: open and install. You click on the three dots on top of your WhatsApp and then you go to settings, tap on the account and then to tap on the username, and then you need to create on the username, or you can import it from Instagram, the one that you use on your Instagram account, or your Facebook username. Now that's still a choice if you want uniformity across your social media accounts. However, for us we'll go with create username. I'll input my name, Maxim, and that will be my username. The username is available. However, you can still add other characters, like maybe I can modify something like I can add here underscore. You can still add numbers. It still can work, okay? However, for me, I like being plain with my usernames. So I'll go with Maxim Felix, and then you need to tap on the save button. And that's it. I have reserved username Maxim Felix. When this feature will be rolling out later this year, now it will be linked to my account. For now, I'm just booking the username so that no one else takes it. And that's it, and you click on the done button. Be productive and see you on the next one.